one of the first things you're going to want to do when you start with the site is create your first course. So once you've registered as a teacher, you'll appear at this page, which looks very empty. Look for this symbol at the top right hand side. This will turn on some of the features that you'll need. If you look down the features that appear, you'll see a navigation menu, you'll see support system menu, and you'll see an administration system menu. This is the one where you create your course. So click on Site Administration, then click on Courses, and then click on Manage Courses and Categories. The next thing that appears is a whole load of courses and categories. Take some time, have a look through the categories, click to see what courses are in each one. But of course, what you want to do is you want to create a course. So up here, just click on Create a Course. When you first arrive, it says add a new course, and there's a load of selections for you to make. First thing you have to do is pick a title for your first course. This one will be Bob's Big Build. You have to choose 3 names, the full name, then you have to pick a short name, a couple of short names. These have to be unique. If you make an error, the system will tell you to correct it. Then you pick a category that you want to put it in. This one will be in the Earthship Build category. Of course, you want it to be visible. Make sure that it says show, and make sure that this says today's date. This is an area for your description. You want to make it interesting so that people who see your course will be interested to find out a little bit more about it. So don't make it too long. Just make it long enough so that people can read. Here is a picture. You drag and drop, or you click on here and download a file. Make the picture relevant to whatever course you are. Down at the bottom here, there's quite a few little menu items. At the moment, just leave them at default, but as time goes on, you may want to change some of these features. When you're finished, click on Save. Then this takes you into your course itself. By default, you will have come up with a load of categories, and they'll all be date marked. So it may not be relevant for you to run them by dates. It may be, I don't know, but you can change all of that. Everything is configurable in the system. So look down here at your menu. Get rid of the menu if you want, using that button at the top there. That makes sure that the things appear a lot cleaner. The magic starts as a teacher by turning editing on, this button at the top right hand side. Click on Turn on Editing On, and now you can change just about everything. You can upload resources, and you can change the name of the section. Click on the little cog. Then this brings you into an area where you can change this here. You must untick that to change the name of the section, and type in whatever you want. Here will be day 1 of the build. This area is optional. You can put a little description about what this section is all about if you want. Again, keep it short but keep it relevant, and click on Save Changes. Now when you come back to the page, you'll see here that the name's changed to day 1 of the build, and your little description will appear underneath. Now of course the course is no good without resources, so click on Add a Resource, and this brings up a whole list of things that you can add to your course. Many of these you're not going to want to even think about doing at the moment of time, but you may want to look at these as you become more experienced with the system. You can add files, you can add just about everything, but one of the most common ones that you're going to use is URL. So click on URL. In the right hand pane, whenever you make a selection in the left hand pane, the right hand pane will show you a description of what you can do. When you're first starting with the system, it's a good idea to read the explanation, then click on Add.